Once in a quaint village dwelled a man named Jack, renowned for his perpetual grin and boundless generosity. Without fail, he extended a helping hand to those in distress, never anticipating anything in return. One fateful day, Jack stumbled upon a pouch brimming with gold coins lying abandoned on the path. Rather than seizing the fortune for himself, he embarked on a mission through the village, inquiring if anyone had misplaced such a treasure. Yet no claimant surfaced. Without hesitation, Jack chose to bestow the newfound wealth upon the local orphanage. As time rolled by, Jack's fortune took a downturn, beset by hardships that left him struggling to make ends meet. Forced to swallow his pride, he found himself seeking aid from others. To his astonishment, those he had aided in the past rallied around him, offering their unwavering support. This poignant moment illuminated the timeless truth. Acts of kindness sow seeds that inevitably blossom into assistance during our own hours of need. The tale of Jack underscores a timeless moral. Kindness, regardless of its seeming insignificance, never evaporates into the ether. Instead, it forms an enduring bond that inevitably circles back to uplift us when we least expect it.